stay, people.
Yeah, people, so we have found out some way to show you what Ranganathittu is all about. It's a bird sanctuary, and there are migratory birds that comes from Australia as well. Not right now, but I think during the season, so they fly all over Australia and come to Ranganathittu. That's what I have heard, so don't quote me, but that's what I have learned, right? So let's see what kind of birds are there. I know there are a lot of pelicans and the regular migratory birds, but yeah, people watch it till the end. We will show also the hotel that we are staying,
And also, the point to be added there is crocodiles
oh yes, there are a
in the
lot of
river,
crocodiles,
right?
yeah.
So that's going to be fun. Need to
And-
be very careful
yeah.
as well. But
And
let's see.
during rainy seasons, you are not allowed to do boating because of the threat of crocodiles and also the flood. But right now I think it should be open, so we'll see. Depending on the time, we'll take a call. Lovely flowers. Yeah, people, so let's see. So people, we are entering Ranganathittu bird sanctuary. Again unplanned, but that's how Dimple and Silas are. We don't plan. Let's see what happens, because we have a dog. We don't know if they will allow us, but let's take a chance.
We have come here several times, but till then we are going to take you till the gate and just let you see the scenery till we reach towards the gate, right? It's a very nice bird sanctuary, by the way, because there is a coracle ride where you can see crocodile inside the river, right?
Sir, nai ide.
Nai.
Walk.
Not
Illa.
ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲವಿಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿಯಾಗ ಇಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು.
Oh, you have to keep it in the car and go.
ಕಾರ್
Walking illa.
ಒಳಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
Allowed illa na? Oh, okay.
Checking happening. We are left with only 1 hour, no, Silas?
Yeah, we just have an hour. Let's see.
We have to pay some fee over here, I think, like 20 rupees to enter. People yet to enter, reaching the gate. This is the oh, what is this? No entry. What's this?
Entry?
From that side it is. Sorry, this is not the way. Entry is right from that side. This one? We should have asked, no? Where the boating is, Silas. This is like we have to walk too much, no? Remember? Long way to go. I remember we walking over here long time back, like last year, and it looks the same.
Entry.
Where is it, yeah? We actually forgot the entry. That side. She told us to go that side, right?
अभी देखे तो देख जरा दिल
Show us, yeah.
5 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ
Yeah, people, so we are entering. This is finally we found the entry.
You have to get the ticket symbol. People, we are going to boating. Where is the boating?
That's only the option that we have taken, because for walk it's going to take a huge time, you know. You have to come early in the morning, right?
So people, yeah, this is a long walk, and we have Justin in the car. We don't want him to be waiting for long.
It's very hot and he's going to suffocate, right? So we can't
Let's see if he could.
leave him alone in the car for that long. So, but for you guys, we are going only for the boating. So maybe if you can see the crocodile, that's going to be like more fun, right?
Yes, people. So watch it. It's getting interesting. The sun is setting, and yeah, it's like 350 for 2 people, which includes boating.
For the boating, right? And what else?
Boating, and you can walk if you want to.
Oh my god, so much of rush.
See the crowd. Sunday.
Is it 30 minutes boating?
15 minutes.
15 minutes?
So we will show you later, people. Dimple is wearing the life jacket, people.
Look at me, I look like a balloon.
Crowded, and the sun is setting. See this, and this is a dangerous water.
Not very crowded. Look at the crowd.
People, the boat has come. Abdu, come. Keep waiting.
ತಲೆ ಬಗ್ಸಿಯಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ 3 ಜನ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಒಂದು ಬೆಂಚಲ್ಲಿ. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಸರ್?
2.
ಇಬ್ಬರಾ?
ಒಂದೇ ಈ ಕಡೆ. Got the cozy seat. Dimple is coming. Next up. Sit. Oh, crocodile. See there. Oh God.
You see the
One. No, on top.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
God, see that.
ವೈಟ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಏಷ್ಯನ್ ಓಪನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಪನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಅದ್ರ ಬೇಕ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಓಪನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಸರಿ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾರ್ ಬೇಬೀಸ್ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್.
So we are done with the Ranganathittu boating as well, and Justin is safe and fine. So we are happy getting back to our hotel where we had booked, and you'll be seeing where we stayed exactly. So this is the resort that we have booked for tonight, Riverside Resort. Looks good, and yeah, we will give you the room tour.
It's clean.
Yeah, on the priority list, right? The cleanliness. It's clean. Riverside matlab there is a river also there. Yeah, you have access to the river. Some function is going on, I think. They are cooking something there. Marriage.
Are?
What is that? Dog?
Dog.
Is river gardenia. So down there is the access to the river where we will take you later on. Okay, and this is the entrance. Side access. We are taking you to the side of the river. That's the arrangement. It's really nice. Dustin, move. There the train is going.